second pose is a supported supine twist. So if you're listening, again, on the go, simply imagine your spine gently lengthens as you inhale. And as you exhale, picture yourself releasing into a soft twist, wringing out tension and creating space across the ribs. And if you're at home, here's how to set it up. So you can, if you like, you can keep the rolled up blanket along the spine from the supported back bend on the side of it. Lie with your arms stretched out at shoulder level and your knees bent. Slowly let your legs turn to the right while your head turns to the left. This is the basic shape of the pose. Now take your time to make your body completely comfortable. If you kept the support from the back bend, you want to place a couple of blankets or cushions underneath your left shoulder. So there's no stretch or strain, but the shoulder, the upper chest, they feel open. Also add a cushion under your head so that you are aligned with the spine. For the legs, place a rolled up blanket or a large cushion underneath the bottom leg to support the hip, and slide a cushion between the knees all the way down to the ankles so your legs feel supported and relaxed as well. Both supports really help the hips to be much more at ease. Once you're set up, cover your body with a blanket, place the scarf or an eye pillow over your eyes. In the twist, you stay shorter. 2 to 3 minutes each side is sufficient. So as you rest, bring awareness to the open side of your body. Breathe into the rib cage and the belly. Let the breath flow without effort. With the in-breath, create more space. And with the out-breath, let your shoulder relax. The chest, the neck, receiving the in-breath from the belly up, rib cage and upper chest and shoulder. With the out-breath, release through the left side more, the shoulder, upper chest and arm. When you're ready, slowly come back to center with an in-breath and repeat the twist on the other side. So if you have the cover for your along the spine still there, lie on the other side, on the left side of the cover. Again, spread the arms out at shoulder level. Turn your head now to your right or in opposite direction. And again, stay for 2 to 3 minutes. 5 deep, slow breaths into the open space. Each out breath, release and relax deeper into the ground that supports you. Again, when you're ready, slowly come back to center or with an in-breath.